Malolele friends, welcome back to our new Lalanga Toolbox theme. This term we will be learning about what it means to be a great Chief Kaitiaki. Over the next term we will be learning about what it means to be the Kaitiaki of our planet, the Kaitiaki of our school, the Kaitiaki of our community, and the Kaitiaki of our future. So today we will be learning about the big ideas of what it means to be a Kaitiaki. What does being a Kaitiaki mean? We'll be learning about our planet and some of the problems facing our planet, such as pollution and the different types of pollution, deforestation, overpopulation, and emissions. What does emissions mean? So we're really excited about learning with you today about what it means to be a great Chief Kaitiaki. What is a Kaitiaki? A Kaitiaki is a guardian of our earth, guarding the sky, the sea, and the land. As guardians, we must protect our planet and make sure it stays safe and healthy for all living things. It's a big job and responsibility, but a very important job. Now, why do you think we need to take care of our earth? Now, as Kaitiaki of our planet, it's really important that we look after our sky, our land, and our sea. Now, today we're going to talk about some of the problems facing our planet and some things that we need to be aware of as guardians of our planet. Let's start off with pollution. Pollution is a problem for us because it can make the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the soil our plants grow in dirty and unsafe. It can make people and animals sick, so it's very important to stop pollution and keep our planet clean. Now, it's important to know that pollution is mostly caused by humans like you and me. We cause pollution when we use too much plastic and don't recycle, when we waste water and we use cars and machines that release smoke. These are all ways we are adding pollution to our planet. The things that we do every day, our actions, can either help our earth or make it sick. Before we end our time together, I want to talk about some other problems that are also harming our planet. Deforestation, overpopulation, and emissions. Overpopulation means there are too many people on Earth. This can lead to cutting down too many trees and harming our environment. We need to find ways to balance our population, or the amount of people here living on Earth, so that we can keep our Earth happy and healthy for a long time. Deforestation is when we cut down too many trees. Trees are like Earth's lungs. They give us fresh air. When we cut them down, we lose clean air and animals lose their homes. We must protect our forests. Emissions. Emissions happen when cars and machines release smoke into the air. This dirty air is not good for us to breathe. We can use clean energy and walk more to reduce these emissions. There are three main types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. Air pollution is when the air we breathe becomes dirty. This happens when smoke or tiny particles from cars, factories, and even some everyday things like trucks, paints, and sprays mix with the air that we breathe. Breathing dirty air can make people and animals sick. Water pollution is when our rivers, our lakes, and our oceans get dirty. Sometimes chemicals from factories or even rubbish wash into the water. This pollution harms fish, plants, and all the animals that need clean water to live in. Soil pollution means our precious soil where plants grow gets dirty or becomes contaminated. Pesticides, chemicals, and even some types of waste can make the soil unhealthy. This affects the food we grow and eat. So I'm at my workplace and I've just come outside and we have examples of all three types of pollution: air, water, and soil happening here. So as you can see, there's lots of soil pollution happening, lots of rubbish. It needs a really big cleanup. We can see some pollution in the water. That really needs a big cleanup. I actually saw a duck. I don't know if you saw, but there was a duck in there swimming. So think about it. What does pollution in the water do to some of our animals that live in the water? And we also have a lot of air pollution happening because we've got lots of factories here and we've got lots of cars and trucks that are driving up and down here. So we have all three types of pollution happening here. Okay, friends, I hope you have learned a little bit about what it means to be a great Chief Kaitiaki, or guardian of our sky, our land, and our water. I hope you've learned about some of the things that are becoming problems for our Earth, such as pollution and the different types of pollution. So have a think over the next week about some things you can do to protect our sky, our land, and our sea. Have a great week, everyone. Bye.